Here, I'll clean you up after you eat it. Eat it.
Did you make brownies for the first time ever, or?
All right. Use your fingers.
Uncle Michael.
Use your fingers.
Al. No, oh my God. Al, look at Aunt Pia. Look at me, hurry. It's gonna drop. No more then.
Have fun, Mama. Y'all lick the bowl. Lick the bowl.
Stop it.
Eat it.
Are you even taking me yet?
Yeah, no, it's a video. Look at her.
Oh, so I just stood there in video.
Oh, wow.
Look at her.
Al, eat it.
So I'm covered in it.
Is that good stuff, Al? You not even say hi to me, Al?
She hadn't said hi to me yet either. I snatched her up.
She's
I know.
like ignoring me.
Want a drink?
Look, Kyle. Look at your daughter. Show Daddy. Show Daddy what happened.
Hey, man, you ready to go? I know she's staying. I'm leaving. Al, bye.
Yeah.
You gonna stay here?
Tell Daddy, say don't be crazy.
Lick the rest of the bowl.
Oh, there goes my tea. Ah, bullshit. Oh.
Y'all are making this decision to stay in our apartment 1 month longer very easy.
Lollipops.
Here, you still got more. Hey, eat it.
Say no mas, Uncle Michael. Raw eggs.